Hey, so I'm just outside of Harrisonburg on the Dry River. I've been here a few times before and had some success catching trout. All right, so I was about to go down to the river and someone came from the opposite direction and kind of started into the hole I wanted to hit first thing. Well, I got something on. I'm not sure if it's trout. Oh yeah, little guy. Oh, that's a little brookie. Pretty little fish. And there he goes. So I'm just throwing the artificial night crawler and letting it bounce along the bottom, keeping the rod tip up. Oh, got another hit. Let's see what we got here. Well, I can say I didn't get skunked in that stretch. I caught that little guy about 8 inches. So I'm gonna go back out to the road, go back down to where I wanted to go in, see if everybody's out there and give that a shot. All right.